This just might be the best, and I mean the best glueless wig that I've ever tried. Is from Nadula hair, y'all. Now, besides the point that I could have added a little bit more powder on my lace, this wig is perfect. This video is overdue, but we about to get into this 24-inch bust down glueless unit. This has been my favorite unit all summer. Let's talk about it. Let's get into it. We hopping straight in, y'all. This install video is going to be straight to the point real quick because it's a glueless unit, like I mentioned, from Nadula hair. This is their 24-inch glueless pre-plucked 6x4.5, which I've never heard, y'all. This came just in time for my freaking birthday. This video is pretty long overdue, but I do have the Nadula closure unit. I love the breathable cap situation. When I say this was the perfect wig, like all summer, y'all, I rocked this wig all summer for the most part, from June until right about now. So I'm popping a wig on my head. This was filmed on my birthday, actually, and it came in perfect timing. I was emailing them like, if there's a will, there's a way. If y'all can make this wig come in time for my birthday, that'll be great. And they had no control over it, but it literally came the day of my birthday. And I was like, thank God, because I needed something that I could pop on and go. Y'all, I did not bleach the knots. I'm talking about straight out the pack. I know some people like to like wash their units and whatever, which I do recommend. But sometimes we pop it straight out the pack and we just put it on. Don't act like you ain't never did it before. I said pray for me. I was vlogging this day as well. And I was also making a TikTok this day for this glueless unit. Y'all, I don't want to say this is my first glueless like unit or anything like that, because I think that would be a lie. But this is probably one of the best ones that I've received for sure. I love the convenience of glueless wigs. I'm sure y'all have seen them blowing up everywhere. I didn't mention it, but of course, like always, I will have all the information and details in the description box down below. But here I am just yapping and chatting, y'all. It's really not much to this video. I'm gonna be super honest. That's why it's literally just almost at 5 minutes long, because it's a glueless unit. Literally straight out the box, y'all saw me put this wig on. So yeah, and this wig is Amazon Prime friendly, if I'm not mistaken. So y'all might want to type in, because I'm looking on here now and it's only 13 left in stock for the exact wig that I got, which was 24 inches. I love, like I said, the convenience of it, how easy and effortless it was. I literally popped on the wig, added some quick baby hairs, straightened it, girl, and it was a wrap. Don't worry about my freaking edges right there. It's gonna all come together. Your girl was rushing this day on my birthday. Can y'all believe it? Are y'all surprised? I'm gonna be honest, I'm not. But anyway, I'm doing my two little edges here. Y'all just see me mapping them out. Girl, I had like no time to get ready, but going in with my hot comb, which is my best friend when I'm doing my installs. I didn't have time to get my other small flat iron that I usually use to curl these baby hairs. So big flat iron it is, girl. I went ahead with a little bit of Got2b glue gel. When I say this install took me like less than 20 minutes, I mean that, because I literally didn't have no time. So super time friendly. Again, all details will be in the description box. I ran a flat iron through this wig, and girl, before you know it, we were ready to go. And that's what I love. I love convenience. Don't get me wrong, I love me a good bust down frontal install, but like for convenience, like everyday wear, this is my go-to. This wig is my girl. I love just being able to take it off at night. I love the breathable cap. Like y'all can literally see the tracks. I like that, because you can itch your head. Like it's all type of just convenience that comes with this wig. It takes no time. If you were a little beginner and didn't know how to do anything, you can install this wig, I promise, girl. It's so bomb, super beginner friendly. Took me, again, no time. Again, thank you, Nadula, for sending me this unit. Y'all, 24 inches. Get into it. 6x4.5, which I've never heard of 4.5 like before, but 6.46 by 4.5 closure unit. All in the density is 150%. I will have all the details down below for y'all in the description box. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Really straightforward and to the point. The girls knew what they was doing promoting these. I said, yeah, I gotta get my hands on one and see what they talking about. And I'm with all the hype. Companies, send me all the glueless units, okay? From here on out. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video.